Hey y'all, grab a sweet tea and come see this unique restaurant we found. We are at Caney Fork River Valley Grill in the Opryland area, and our stomachs are growling louder than a Nashville traffic jam. Now there's a lot of choices for starters. They have things like crawfish cakes, frog legs, to fried gator tail, and that's just appetizers. This here is the section that got Pop's attention, the wild game. As soon as you walk in, you feel like you wandered into the wilderness. Look at this decor. Between the wood beams and the wildlife on the walls, it's got more character than a Sunday morning church social. It's rustic, it's relaxed, and it smells like heaven and hickory smoke. This here is the gator bites. Pops and my little sis already started eating them before I got a picture. Pop's got the bison burger with bacon. Sis got her chicken strips and fries. And I got the smothered chicken with grilled onions and a side of beans. Now the food was so good that we came back the next day for lunch, and they seated us in another section which was by this waterfall and pond. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but there were fish in the pond. Of course we got the gator bites again, and this time I got a picture before anyone had any. Yesterday, Pops debated between the bison burger and the mammoth. So today he got the mammoth, which is a bison burger with pulled pork on it. And he said both were delicious, but he preferred the mammoth. As for me and Sis, we got the same as yesterday. We all enjoyed the food and highly recommend y'all stopping here if you're in the Opryland area. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here, or if there is something that we missed.